Swamped with endless maintenance requests, constant errors, and the chaos of staying organized? Imagine if maintenance just handled itself. No fuss, no headaches, just a smooth, efficient process. If your organization already operates on Microsoft 365, you're sitting on a goldmine of potential for automating your maintenance workflows. Here's why Microsoft 365 is the platform to trust. 1. A centralized powerhouse. With everything in one place, automating maintenance requests on Microsoft 365 keeps your processes centralized. No juggling external tools or patchwork solutions, just seamless integration with the tools you already use. 2. Built-in familiarity. Your team already knows and loves Microsoft tools like Teams and SharePoint. This familiarity means less training and faster adoption, making it a win-win for everyone. 3. Easy collaboration. Say goodbye to endless back-and-forth emails. Microsoft 365 facilitates real-time updates, automatic notifications, and smooth communication between requesters, managers, and technicians. The result? Less friction and more productivity. 4. Tailored workflows, no coding required. Custom workflows built on Microsoft 365 adapt to your organization's specific needs. Whether it's prioritizing tasks, scheduling repairs, or tracking progress, automation works the way you need it to, no coding or IT wizardry required. 5. Security you can trust. With Microsoft 365, your data stays where it belongs, secure, compliant, and fully accessible. Unlike many SaaS solutions, you're in control, no compromises. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I even get started without months of setup or complexity? That's where SP Marketplace comes in. We've built a custom solution on Microsoft 365 that makes automating maintenance simple, effective, and tailored to your business. Find all the details in the description below.